Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be going over custom goals within Google Ads. I'll tell you how to use them, why to use them. I'll give you kind of an example of potentially why you would use them. But essentially, custom goals are useful when you want to target a subset of conversion actions which are outside of the primary conversion actions you have set up in the account. So in order to find out which conversion actions you have in the account, go into Tools and Settings, under Measurement, into Conversions. And there you'll find all the conversions that you currently have set up in your account. The ones which are automatically targeted, so the campaigns will be targeting automatically, are the ones which are set to primary, and the ones which are set to secondary will not be targeted towards in any of the campaigns. So let's say, for example, you have a lead generation website and your primary conversion is to get people to contact you. That would be set as your primary conversion. And then let's say you're setting up a new campaign, maybe a video campaign, maybe a display campaign, and you had a specific landing page with a different conversion action on that landing page, but you didn't want that to be set as your primary. You could set up another conversion action, set it as your secondary, and let's say you then wanted to combine that along with some phone tracking. What you could do is go into your custom goals and set that up. So the way you do that is you go into custom goals and create a custom goal. So give it a name. Let's call it lead generation campaign. And then we go in and we target submit lead form, but then also some call tracking. And then we click save. Essentially what will be happening now is this custom goal will be targeting these two conversion actions. Now, the next thing you need to do is go into the campaign itself and change the settings there. So now that you're in your campaign, you want to head over towards the settings section. And within goals, you can then see that currently this campaign is optimizing towards the primary conversions within the account. What we then want to do is go down to use campaign specific goal settings and choose a campaign goal. And as you can see here, we've got our custom goal here, lead generation campaign. And what we want to do is select that and then click save, and then click save. Now, once that's saved, essentially this campaign is only going to be recording the conversion goals that we selected within that custom goal as its primary conversion action. So what will start to happen is when you run this campaign will start to optimize towards those specific subset of conversions that you set up in the campaign. If you have any questions, just let me know and I'll answer them. Thank you.